First step to bring sitting tolerance and eye contact. If you want your child to sit and look at your eyes, first have this practice of bending down to his face level and look at your child's eye and talk. This has to be a regular practice for everyone who talks to him at home. Next, if you want to practice eye contact, you train yourself to get into his world by including yourself in what he does. We'll explain. You can bring sitting tolerance and eye contact by following below. Choose few time of a day where you will do what your child does. By doing so, your child will start noticing you. For instance, if he is flapping his finger, you also flap your fingers by following the face-to-face rule and say flap, flap, flap and smile. Keep in a fun way, then he will look at you. Understand this. You as a parent is in one world of thoughts and your child is in different world of thoughts. If that is the case, should you force your child to come into your world and learn? Or is it a better option for you to move to his world and teach something? Yes, moving to his world is a better option. So do what he does and teach what you want to teach in a fun way. How do you get into his world? By doing same things as child does, by doing things that child likes, by not doing things what child doesn't like. For that, you should actually know what your child likes and what your child doesn't like. Work on it and prepare a fresh list by noticing your kid the whole day. Some examples would be if the child is running, you also run alongside with him and just say run, run and keep it fun. If the child bangs a spoon on the table, you also bang a spoon on the table. If the child looks at the window, you also look at the window and just say the name of the word he is seeing outside. If the child pours water in the bathroom, you also pour and say pour, pour. One important rule: when you do the same things as a child does, you have to keep smiling and say the word expressively. Do not force your child to say anything. Do it in a playful way. This is just a first step in bringing the eye contact and sitting tolerance with you. Practice this 5 to 10 times a day. Initiate the interaction between you and child. You can do this irrespective of whether your child is verbal or non-verbal. For child at later stage of communication who can understand what you say, talk on topic that he likes. Thank you. If the content is useful, like and subscribe.